I want to thank every person or computer or robot who genuinely give me their feedbacks on the vlogs, who genuinely tell me, say, you know, Dan, that part I didn't like it, that part I like it, do more of that, do less of this. I want to genuinely thank everyone who is contributing indirectly, directly, whether by liking our videos every time you watch it, whether by sharing it every time you get a glimpse of it. Listen, I might not have a whole lot of views, but I have a whole lot of persons invested right now. Like, and I like that. You see, the doing this thing wasn't, it was never about likes or building something that the whole world is following. I'm trying to reach a small set of persons who I can help here in Jamaica, because there's nobody else that can point out these little things and mistakes and stuff like that. If they want to go into the lawn care business, there's nobody else in Jamaica that is doing it to show other persons from a humble point of view. And if my energy do come off as a little cocky, I am sorry, I apologize, but that's not the intention. But I just want to tell you guys, thank you for sharing and subscribing. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. You guys are making this. We are about to start a charity. I'm supposed to go get it registered, but I've just been busy all day today. I am starting a charity, guys, and the charity is just about reaching out to any and everybody as much as we can. See what I mean? But anyways, I'll say that for another vlog. Thank you guys.